Right, we're doing the last question of question 3 on the Specimen Paper 2020, Paper 4, and it looks like this. Okay, the diagram shows a sketch of the graph y equals x cubed minus x squared minus 20, which is very much related to the rest of question F, which you did on the previous page. Okay, where we had x cubed minus x minus 20 equals 0 in the previous question. Okay, then they say P is the point N 0. So here we have the y value 0 and they want to know the x value. So the y value 0 would be, there's the point P, right? So yes. And here we can change that y for a 0. Okay, write down the value of n. Okay, so as we said in the previous video, okay, we've seen that this is pretty much equal to where the two functions are equal, and we wrote the solution for this one there, which we worked out from our graph in the previous question. Okay, so maybe actually they asked, do we have the answer to this question, which is the one we wrote there? Okay, so n is going to be 3.2. I'm writing 3.2 because that is what I wrote in my previous question. Now, on the mark scheme, they say the answer is 3, anything between 3 and a bracket 0, which means you don't have to put the 0, to 3.1. Now, using Desmos graphing, I got the real actual answer, which is 3.092. That is the actual answer, and that's why they put this is the possible answer. Okay, but I only got that by using Desmos graphing. You can also do it by doing trial and error. Okay, it's very unlikely that in the exam for 1 mark you're going to be able to spend that much time doing trial and error and you won't have Desmos graphing to your disposal. That's why part of the mark scheme, it very clearly says, okay, or FT, which stands for follow through, their answer to F3. So basically what it says is, if you write what you wrote there, you get your mark. This is just simply to see if you can connect these two together, that you've worked out the x value on this graph by having those two equal. So whatever answer you wrote there, you write there. They know that this answer is not going to be that accurate as it is here, because you won't have time or the resources. Okay, but they have put the correct answer there, but very clearly they say you get your mark if you use that answer written here, which won't be as accurate as this one, but you just have to have the same answer. I hope that makes sense.